Morning student, I am Amita Razdan from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 6, area and perimeter. Today we will take the two chapter, area, perimeter, and the next chapter is volume. So children, in this chapter we will learn what is area, what is perimeter and what is volume, and how to find the perimeter of square, rectangle and area of square, rectangle and triangle, and how to find the volume of cube and cuboid. So children, let's begin with the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of all the side, boundary of any figure, length of all the side. So children, this is the rectangle. Rectangle, you know, both the opposite sides are equal. This one is length and this one is breadth. Opposite sides are equal. ये side और ये side equal है और this side and this side are equal. So how to find the area of a rectangle? So the formula of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth. Both the sides, opposite sides are equal, length and length are same and breadth are same. So twice of a length and breadth. So here we will take the measurement of 30 and here 50. This we will take in inch. This is a figure of, here the length is 30 and the breadth is 50. So how we find? According to the formula, put the value of this length and breadth. So 2 length, how much length is 30 and breadth 50. So 30 plus 50, 80, 30 plus 50, 80. Now this multiply, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 8s are 16. So 160 inch. The perimeter of this rectangle is 160 inch. Understand? So perimeter is the length of all the sides, and area. What is area? Area is the amount of surface covered by any object. For example, this one is the rectangle. So we measure the area, this in inside. Area of a rectangle, length and breadth. So what is the formula of area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So here we will take one more example, 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter breadth. So we will put the value, length is equal to 10 and breadth is equal to 6. So area of a rectangle, this 60 square centimeter. So children, the unit of perimeter is meter, centimeter. Always measure in meter and centimeter, because the boundary of the sum of all the sides of the boundary of any figure, and area is always measured in square centimeter or meter or any unit that is given in the question. Now how to find the perimeter of square? Square, you know, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Length and breadth. So formula of perimeter of a square, four into side, length of one side. So we will take the example 125 breadth and 125 length. All sides are equal, so measurement is also equal. Centimeter. 4 into 125 centimeter. So multiply it. 4 5s are 20. Carry over 2. And 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. Carry 1. And 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 500 centimeter. Children, you know how to find the perimeter of rectangle and square. Now find the area of a square. Area of a square, all sides are equal, so side into side. So we will take 25 meter and here 25 meter, this length and this breadth. So side into side, 25 centimeter multiply by 25 centimeter is equal to 625 square centimeter. Square centimeter, or you can write this way also, centimeter square. Now how to find the side when perimeter is given? Perimeter of square is equal to 48. You have to find the side. ये स्क्वायर है, इसका पेरीमीटर कितना है 48 and you have to find the side. So what is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 into side. When you have to find the side, we will put side here and perimeter upon 4. So what perimeter is 48 divided by 4. You will get 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So length of one side is 12 centimeter. Understand? Now children, you know how to find the perimeter of square, rectangle and area of square and rectangle. And the unit of perimeter is centimeter, meter, and area square centimeter, meter. Now take the volume. What is volume? Volume is the measurement, the volume that is covered, the space covered by any ऑब्जेक्ट. एक ऑब्जेक्ट में कितना स्पेस है, वो कितने थिंग्स को हैंडल कर सकता है, अंडरस्टैंड, कवर कर सकता है, उसमें कितना स्पेस, कितना सामान उसमें आ सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल योर ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स एंड दिस बॉक्स, हाउ मेनी चॉक इज कवर्ड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड द वॉल्यूम. द वॉल्यूम इज in perimeter and area. You find that, you see that length and breadth 2 dimension is there, and in volume 3 dimension is there, length, breadth and height. Okay, so in this you see this is the box. So here this one is the length and this one is the height and this one is the breadth. So formula of volume, length into breadth into height. So here how many rows is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one 4. And how many cubes in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one length. And how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will make 3 layer. One, 2, 3 and 4. So 6 4s are 24. And 24 3s are 3 4s are 12. Carry over 1 and 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 72. Now 72 cubic centimeter. So here 3 dimensions is there: length, breadth and height. Now this one is the cuboid. Cuboid will make with the rectangle. Cuboid. Here length is 5 and breadth is 6 and height is 3. So volume is equal to length plus breadth plus height. So 5 into 6 into 3. So 5 6 are 30. 30 into 3 is equal to 90 cubic centimeter. Now find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cube. Cube is in the form of square. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. All the sides are equal. So volume of cube side into side into side, or you can say length into breadth into height. So 8 into 8 into 8. So is equal to 512 cubic centimeter. Now how you find the side when volume is given? You have to find the volume. Length is equal to 7 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. Height you have to find, and volume is equal to 3 meter, 7 meter and 84 cubic centimeter meter. And height you have to find. So you will put the formula: height is equal to volume length into breadth. Length और breadth आपको find है, you have to find the height. So volume 84, length है 3 और volume है 7. So you cut this. 8 3 2s are 6 and 3 8 ja 28. Now this cut 4. So height is equal to 4 meter. Now how you find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle. Area of triangle (4 units and 12 units). You have to find the area. Okay. So formula of area of a triangle 1/2 area of rectangle. Half of the area of a rectangle. Why it is half of the? Because when you make rectangle, both the sides are equal. So when we make this triangle, two triangle is there, this and this. So both are, the sum of the rectangle is half of the triangle. So here 1/2 area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So length कितना है 12, breadth कितना है 4. So 1/2 multiply by, so here you cut 12 4s are 48/2. So when we divide 48 by 2, we'll get the 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So 12 square units is the area of a triangle. And how you measure when it is given in this type? How you find this? Count this 1 and 2. So 2 meter is breadth and length 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 meter is length, and put the formula and find the area of a triangle. Now children, your this lesson is completed. Area, perimeter and volume.